Health is defined as 100% function of the body. And health being our greatest asset means we need to make sure that our body's functioning optimally. So what controls every part of every function, every organ, cell, and tissue in your body? It's your brain. And this is the big idea. The messages from the brain have to flow through the body like a river out those nerve roots to supply life, health, and healing to every single part of your body at 100%. Your hearts are beating, your lungs are breathing, you're digesting food that you're eating. 70 trillion cells are living and active because your brain's telling them to. Every minute, every 60 seconds, 300 trillion messages are communicating between your brain and your body. So we want to make sure that you get every impulse, 100% with nothing interfering with them. For example, if I cut off your head, what would happen? You would die. But what if someone cut the nerve root to your heart? What's going to happen then? You would die also. Is this a belief or is this a fact? Yeah, it's 100% an absolute fact. It's actually a law. This is not a theory. This is not a good idea. This is not, oh, it works for some people. It's not, well, I'll give this a try. This is an exact law of life that controls you and allows you to even hear me right now. And so the main area we look to is the spine. And the great thing about the nervous system's the only system in your entire body that's totally encased in solid bone. Your brain's in your skull, and your spinal cord is protected by the spinal column. So why do you think your nervous system is the only system totally encased in solid bone? It's because it's the most delicate as well as the most important. So when we look at the spine, it does a couple of things for us. The first thing the spine does, it holds you upright, and this is called your posture. So your posture has a direct correlation with your health. So be very conscious of that posture. That's why we're correcting your spine, to correct you to a proper healthy posture. And the second thing that the spine does is protection. And there's three important areas the spine protects. Number one area is right here, your brainstem. Just think of the bone Christopher Reeve broke. When he damaged right there, he lost all function from there down. You see, the brainstem's the body's conductor. It controls everything in the body like a conductor of a symphony would. When you eat that piece of food, it's the reason 20 organs work together in perfect unison to break it down, digest, absorb, and turn it into new tissues. It is amazing. And then the other two are your spinal cord and the nerve roots that are coming out. When your spine's aligned correctly, when it has the proper posture it should, there are no laws being broken. The messages from the brain flow from above down, inside out, to all parts of your body at 100%, or at least at the optimal God-given health potential. But now, if there's misalignments or damage, subluxation distorting your posture, under gravity distorting it even more, now we're actually crushing the spinal cord, stretching out the nerve roots, and blocking off vital information from the brain to the body. Now, what do you think that's considered? Healthy or sick? It's considered sick. So that's why excellent posture and corrective care adjustments and corrective home rehab exercises that you do are so essential for an amazing, healthy body so that you can live life, that one that you're supposed to have.